Seafood pasta salad. A simple concept, but somehow it gets overcomplicated. Too creamy, too fishy, or just downright boring. Let's fix that. This version balances fresh seafood, bright vegetables, and perfectly cooked pasta. It's packed with flavor, not mayonnaise. Start by choosing your pasta. Use something that holds sauce well. Fusilli or farfalle are great options. Boil it in salted water like it's the ocean. Seriously, don't skimp on salt. It's your first flavor layer, and pasta deserves better. While the pasta cooks, prep your seafood. Shrimp and crab make a dynamic duo here. Boil the shrimp, peel and devein them if they aren't already, and keep it simple with fresh lump crab meat. Frozen works too if you're landlocked. Now let's talk vegetables. This salad thrives on crunch. Dice some red bell peppers, cucumber, and red onion. Cherry tomatoes add sweetness and color. Don't overdo it, though. This is seafood pasta salad, not a veggie showcase. Once your pasta is al dente, drain it and rinse with cold water. This is one of those rare times rinsing pasta is okay. It cools things down and keeps the salad from turning into a sticky blob later on. For the dressing, keep it light and zesty. Whisk olive oil, lemon juice, minced garlic, and a little Dijon mustard together. Add salt, pepper, and red chili flakes if you want some heat. It'll make the seafood shine instead of drowning it. Pro tip: fresh herbs are your secret weapon. Chop parsley and dill finely. They add vibrancy and a layer of complexity that's often missing from pasta salads. Fresh basil works too, but use it sparingly. You don't want to overwhelm. Now assemble. Toss the pasta, seafood, and vegetables in a giant bowl. Pour the dressing evenly and mix gently. Don't smash the crab meat. You want those chunks intact. Taste test. Need more salt? Fresh lemon? Adjust now. Got leftovers? Seafood pasta salad is a rare dish that gets better overnight. The flavors meld together like they've been best friends forever. Just keep it in an airtight container and you're set for lunch the next day. Want to take it to the next level? Grate some fresh Parmesan on top just before serving. It's not traditional for seafood, I know, but rules exist to be broken, and this small addition brings everything to life. Common mistake: overloading the dish. Too much mayo, which we skipped here, or too many ingredients turn it muddy. The beauty of seafood pasta salad is in simplicity. Each bite should be fresh, clean, and flavorful. Foodies will argue about the right way to make seafood pasta salad, but here's the truth. It's about balance. Seafood and pasta are the stars. Everything else is their supporting cast. Keep that in mind, and you can't go wrong.